And I thank you, Nepal.
सगरमाथा हाम्रै देशमा छ, हाम्रो नेपालमा छ।
I would like to begin with homage to the long-life goddess and sacred protectress, Samma, who resides upon and guards Mount Everest. Namaste, ladies, gentlemen, distinguished guests, and the Honorable Assemblywoman Rajkumar. I'm deeply honored to be here and speak on this day as we look forward to next spring when New York will celebrate the first ever Mount Everest Day.
The time has come to honor the great Nepali-American Sherpa heritage and its elite mountaineers. That is why, at this time, as New York State Assemblywoman, I am very proud to announce that from henceforth, the date of May 29th will be Mount Everest Day.
And what about May 29th? Mount Everest Day. Very, very good. I was hoping you would fall for that trick and not forget what that is. So I can imagine a day when Mount Everest Day on May 29th is celebrated.
It is a great recognition for the climbers who have contributed in various ways by their achievement, by their contribution, as well as by promoting peace and humanity, the message of ultimate courage and dedication. It is with no small effort that they have achieved this recognition. It is truly said, Honorable Jennifer Rajkumar, that not everybody who tries, who attempts to climb can succeed. Therefore, it is an extraordinary achievement that you have achieved today. And it is also an extraordinary achievement for Nepal, Mount Everest, the Nepali community and Nepali American community for having this day declared to be the Mount Everest Day to be celebrated 29 onward.
The second runners-up of Miss Nepal US. So first of all, it is an extreme honor, and it would definitely not be possible without Miss Nepal US organization and US Nepal Climbers Association. So I would like to express my sincere gratitude for this opportunity. Today, it is a very auspicious occasion for all of us Nepalese people, not just living in US, but all around the globe. As our pride, the top of the world, that is 8,848 meters high, our Sagarmatha is being recognized and celebrated as Mount Everest Day on May 29 at New York State Assembly Hall. So on behalf of celebration. So Nepal is a country where everyone has their own Everest to conquer every other day. This is another Everest that we have conquered together as a family, and it is a huge achievement. So I would like to congratulate each and every one of you here tonight. Thank you so much. My country, my pride, मेरो देश, मेरो गर्व, जय नेपाल.
Today, Honorable Jennifer Rajkumar declared that May 29 is the International Mount Everest Day, I would like to affirm that May 29 is Mount Everest Day and only Mount Everest Day, nothing else.
I feel really honored and I'm grateful to meet so many wonderful people, and it's so nice to see everyone again. My name is Garima Gewali. Hope to see you soon again, and I want to declare May 29 as a Mount Everest Day and nothing else. Thank you so much and have a wonderful good night.
All right, let's give a big round of applause to our MC, Miss Garima Gewali. You know who she is? She is the winner of Miss North America, Nepal in the United States.
Please,